Okay, it's me again. It's JP, and I'm back with a new tutorial. This is the Morning Star earrings, and aren't they cute? So, let's talk about the beads that you're gonna need. You're not gonna need a ton of beads, but you are gonna need some diamond duos or gem duos. And I bought these from Art Beads, and this is the color. It's Cocoa Airy Pearl Check is the color. And it says Art Beads right there on the little baggie. Here they are. Really pretty color. Has this nice kind of a soft matte metallic look to it. These are Check MC Bicones, and these are blue zircon full AB. And these are from, so the store is actually called crystalsandbeadsforfriends.com. That is the name of the store. I will have all the links in the description box below, so check below. And 11s. And so the 11s that I'm using are Duracoat Galvanized Light Pewter. And these are Miyuki's. And these are from Oral Crystals. There it is, oralcrystals.com. Okay, so you're gonna need 6 of the diamond duos per earring, so 12 total. And you're going to need 9 bicones. These are 4mm bicones and per earring, so 18 total of that, and just maybe a gram or so of the 11s. And I used about maybe 14 inches per earring of the 6-pound fireline. And then some ear wire hooks. So I've got these French hooks. And of course your beading needle. So I've got my size 10, 12, whatever it is, beading needle hair. 10 is probably what I use. I don't tend to like the 12 is my, or yeah, I don't like the smaller ones because it's hard to thread. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so to begin, what you're gonna do is pick up an 11, then a diamond duo, 11, diamond duo, and you are gonna do 6 and 6 of each. So 6 11s, 6 of the diamond duos. And then just tie a knot to make a ring, like so. Then go through the beads again. So exit out of a diamond duo. You're gonna pick up a bicone. And go into the bicone that is directly opposite. Or sorry, diamond duo, not bicone. And it should just pop into place. And then go back through the bicone. And then through the diamond duo. This is where we started, and that's where you should be. Now switch to the other hole of the diamond duo. And then you're going to pick up 11, bicone, and an 11. And go into the next diamond duo. And you should do that. So then you're going to do that all the way around. So again, okay, so it's going to be a total of 6 times that we do that. Okay, 2 more. So you're coming out of this, go through these 3 beads, the 11, the bicone, and the 11. Now pick up 3 11s. And go into the next. Oh, is this clumsy or what? Okay. Go into the next. So you're going to do that all the way around. And let me get rid of this tail thread because it's actually just annoying. So 3, and I'm just going to flip it this way so we can see. And 3 again. And remember, you're skipping over the diamond duo and just going into the 3 beads. So, and you can substitute gem duos. I think I said that earlier. Okay, 2 more. and then come out of this bead here. And that's what you should have. Now pick up an 11, a bicone, 3 11s, a bicone, and one more 11. And just go back through the 11. Just like so. And go through the beads. I'm going to reinforce here in just a second, but first, we're going to make the clasp loop now. So pick up 4 11s, and you're going to go into just that middle 11. Go into the first 11. Then pick up 1. Go into the next 11. Oop, dropped it. And one more time. Now go through the beads again. So to just reinforce. Okay, so now go around here and tie half-inch knots. So I'm going to just go through the 11. And then tie, poke myself there, tie a knot. And then go through the bicone and the 11. And then go through the 11. And the next 11. And then tie a knot. So we've reinforced this little embellishment that we made. And now we can trim the thread. And there we have it, Morning Star earrings. Super cute, will make a great gift, and they don't take too long to make. So, and you can do lots of different color combinations. Just imagine all the pretty diamond duos or gem duos you can play with. Okay, well, I hope you like this quick and easy tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.